Is this even on? Useless, expensive piece. Oh! It's on. Okay. Duh! I'm not ready. Okay. Now I'm ready. Hello, everyone. My name is Shamali. Wait, did I already say that? Today, I am super excited because this is my first YouTube video! Hi guys, what's up? Hola, ¿cómo están hoy? Why, hello there. Howdy, y'all. Partner. Ow, wait. Stop, man, brother. Waves. La aloha. Aloha. Namaste. Konnichiwa. O genki desu ka? May peace be with you, my brothers and sisters. Peace for all. Those multiple greetings were symbolic of my real-life indecisiveness. New Year's resolution right there. See, we're getting to know each other already. It's such a weird feeling talking in front of a camera with no response. I have this big camera staring at me. And I feel it, my voice changes, I press power, and all of a sudden I'm like, like I have all these ideas swirling in my head of stuff to say. I can't shut up in real life. And then the camera turns on, and they all leak out of my brain, and it's an empty void of nothingness, and I'm staring. And I don't know. This is probably all in my head. I turn everything into a big mental thing, but I felt like I would watch the YouTubers. They had this whole team behind them, backing them up. And then here I am, wanting to start my own YouTube channel. I felt inadequate when I was comparing myself to all these bigger, famous YouTubers. And that's not good, because then I just felt bleh. God, the lens. Edit. So then I realized that I'm going about this in the wrong way. Essentially, YouTube is a video sharing site where people upload things that they want. And then I watched this really great video by Chris Crabsticks quitting YouTube. It was brilliant. And then he was like, just do it. So I thought, yeah, I'm gonna do it. So thank you, Crabsticks. So here I go. What could you expect from my channel? Is a very good question I am asking myself. But it will be an amazing journey that we are going to embark on together. Well, I guess I could tell you a bit about me. Just like a week ago, I came back from Argentina, where both of my parents and all of my family is from. And I recently got back to California, where my family and I all moved a year ago. Exactly a year now. Oh! So I do have a plan for the next video, or the following. I'm planning on taking you through a mystical, magical journey through Argentina with me. You know what was weird? Since I turned 19, on Christmas, I might add, I was thinking, wow, 19 is a year away from 20, which is a fourth away from 80. I'm old. Oh my god. Life flies so fast. So that's why I thought I'm gonna do this first YouTube video. And you know, there needs to be more female YouTubers. So anyone, not just females, so anyone out there who's watching this, maybe no one's watching it, but anyone who's watching it and has wanted to start whatever you want to do it. Whatever you've been wanting to do, go do it now. I have, so many ideas and I'm so excited. I'm exhausted. And now comes to the part where I will do the generic plea for petty subscriptions. Subscribe if you liked this video. Subscribe if you are against the millions of starving children in Africa, because I am. And if you don't subscribe, you're a heartless person. Subscribe if you like food. Subscribe if you like long romantic walks by the beach. But not because I am desperate or anything, because I'm not. But thank you guys for watching. I hope you liked my video. Bye! Mwah. Oh no, my lens.